In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Wix or just looking to make a few changes, I'll walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently update your website to reflect any changes you need. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the official Wix website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing www.wix.com into the address bar. Once the Wix homepage loads, you'll need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is a straightforward process. Simply follow the prompts to create an account using your email address. If you're already a member, just enter your login details and click on Log In. Once you're logged in, you'll land in the Wix dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage all your website projects. Here, you'll see a list of all the sites you've created under My Sites. Find the website you want to update and click on it. This will take you to the site-specific dashboard, which gives you various options related to your site. Next, you'll want to click the Edit/Design button. This step takes you to the Wix Editor, a user-friendly interface where you can make changes to your website's layout, content, and design elements. Don't worry if you're not a design expert. Wix offers a wide range of templates and drag-and-drop features that make editing easy and intuitive. Now, let's move on to customizing your pages and other site elements to reflect your current needs. Once you're in the editor, you have the freedom to change text, update images, and even add new sections. If your website needs a more comprehensive redesign, consider using Wix's integrated tools to tweak the existing design template. Make sure to pay attention to elements like contact information, images, and any key messages you want to communicate to your visitors. Remember, a clear and visually appealing website can significantly impact how visitors perceive your brand. After you've made all the necessary changes, it's time to preview and publish your updated website. To preview your changes, simply click on the Preview button in the top right corner of the screen. This will give you a chance to see what your visitors will see and ensure that everything looks and functions as you intend. If you're happy with the preview, the final step is to click on Publish to make your updates live on the web. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Wix website in just 5 minutes, and there you have it, a quick and easy way to keep your site fresh and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your Wix website.